Welcome. If you want to make your Facebook profile more accessible to friends from around the world, turning on the translation feature for your cover photo is a smart choice. With the new update to the Facebook app on PC, enabling translation is quick and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you let everyone understand what your cover photo is about, no matter what language they speak. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account to get started. At the top of the page, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to go straight to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, take a look at your cover photo, the large image that stretches across the top. Click directly on your cover photo to pull up more options related to that image. Beneath the cover photo, notice there are a few icons and buttons. Look for the 3 dots just under the photo. Those 3 dots open a small menu with extra features you can use for your cover photo. Click the 3 dots to see your options. From the list that appears, choose Turn on Translation. This immediately activates the translation feature for your cover photo, making it possible for visitors who use a different language on Facebook to understand the caption or description that goes with your image. With this setting turned on, anyone who views your profile and uses Facebook in a language different from yours will see a translation option under your cover photo. This makes your profile more welcoming and understandable to a wider audience. Remember, enabling this feature doesn't change your cover photo for you. It just gives viewers an option to see its caption or related text in their preferred language. It's a helpful way to connect with global friends, colleagues, or anyone who visits your profile. And that's all it takes. Whether you're sharing travel memories, promoting your work, or just want to be more inclusive, enabling translation for your cover photo helps everyone feel a little more at home on your Facebook page. Give it a try and see how many more people can engage with your story.